hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell and watch my whole video. Hey! Would you like to see me draw an abstract bird of paradise? I think it's one of the most beautiful flowers in the whole wide world. So why don't you just watch? The bird of paradise flower means freedom, identity, glamour, faithfulness, joy, and paradise. Native to South Africa and now a popular flower in tropical places around the world. The bird of paradise is associated with many positive qualities and some spiritual meanings. The bird of paradise is sometimes called a crane flower because it resembles an elegant long-necked bird. Its long stem and colorful blossoms resemble a bird with a pointed beak and tuft of colorful flowers on its head. These magical flowers grow in bunches that resemble a flock of vibrant tropical birds who are ready to take flight. Hence, the bird of paradise flower is a symbol of freedom. In addition, this native plant of South Africa also symbolizes opportunity, a land where one group of people once ruled over another. South Africa has thankfully undergone a social metamorphosis, and now freedom and new opportunity are more available than ever. Thus, the bird of paradise represents new freedoms and opportunities to find good fortune. Some bird of paradise species can reach heights of 20 feet. As they tower above flowers with their unusual blossoms, the bird of paradise also symbols uniqueness and individual identity. This special flower embodies the confidence that it takes to stand out from a crowd. Thus, they make wonderful gifts for a person in your life who is finding their unique path and individual identity as a person. The bird of paradise flower seems to state that the truest beauty is in being your authentic self. As Dr. Seuss famously wrote, "Today, you, that is truer than you. There is no one alive who is youer than you." It shouldn't come to a surprise that the bird of paradise is the city flower of Los Angeles, California. If sunny beaches and gorgeous sunsets and Hollywood glamour could be summed up in a flower, it would be undoubtedly the colorful bird of paradise. It is a symbol of faithfulness and love. Furthermore, the bird of paradise is the traditional gift for couples who are celebrating their 9th anniversary. In addition, as a tropical flower, the bird of paradise reminds us to remember to enjoy some fun, rest, and relaxation, like taking tropical vacations. As its name implies, this exquisite flower also symbolizes paradise. The bird of paradise reminds us that we have paradise here on earth. In addition, it reminds us that paradise is a state of mind that we can create in our own lives.